Using the free Google Docs app available iOS and Android, when you open it, click on the plus sign and then choose New Document. Templates, these are the ones that are available, so choose the one that you would like. They're all free. So this is the template I've chosen. You can easily edit it. For example, you can change the name, the experience, you can edit everything on this template, same with all the other ones, it's all free. Then to export it to download it to your phone, just click on the three dots at the top right corner and then choose Share and Export and click on Save as a Word document. If you want to save it as a PDF, click on Print. On those same three dots at the top, click on Print. We're not actually printing, so you click on the blue icon at the top and then choose Save as a PDF and choose the destination in your phone where it will be saved. So this is for iOS. As you can see, you can even label it within your files. If you want to use a different template similar to the one in my video of how to write a CV, you'll have to use a different app called Google Drive. It is available on iOS and also on Android. While it's downloading, go to Canva, which is the site in my video of how to write a CV, then download it as a PDF. For the full explanation of how to do this, I have a video. So as you can see, it is downloading. And then for iOS, you're just going to save it in the phone, in files, so that we can access it. Then we'll need to convert it to a Word document. So I have a video on how to convert, you can watch that as well. Once it is done, we need to go back to the Google Drive app, which has now downloaded, and then click on the plus icon, click on Upload, and then Browse, and then choose the document where it is in your phone. Then choose the three dots right next to it, and then click on Open In. It should show you Google Docs, and then it will show you Save to Google Drive. That's the only way to open. As you can see, it's a bit disfigured the way the template has opened up. So to fix this, we're going to click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Print Layout. So now the template is showing how it was on the site, and we can edit it, we can change the name, experience, everything, just as in my video how to write a perfect CV and how to write a good CV. So check those out. How to export it again, same as the other one, Share and Export. And then depending on how you want to save it as, click on Print. If you want to save it as a PDF, that is for iOS. And then click on the blue icon at the top, the one with an arrow, and it will save. Then if you have a Word subscription, which is paid for, you can download the app on Android and iOS. As you can see, when you open the Microsoft Word app, there are various templates available. Once you open them, you can easily edit them on your phone. So Microsoft Word often asks you to pay for the Microsoft Office subscription. So if you have that, then you can use this instead of the method I explained earlier.